Hey everyone, I'm here at 100 Abbey Lane, my new listing in Fate, Texas. So let's go take a look inside. Hello and welcome to this beautiful house. It's a split concept. You have your living area on this side and your bedrooms on this side. When you first walk in, you see this beautiful den. Then you have this great dining room. I love this updated kitchen with the breakfast nook. And right next to it is the family room with the wood-burning fireplace. Next, let's go take a look at the bedrooms. So here we have the primary suite with a great flex space that can be used for workout area, office, even in a sitting area. Then we have the primary bathroom with the beautiful custom closet. Let's go down the hallway and check out the other bedrooms. We have the second bathroom and the 3 other bedrooms. This house is a little over 2,300 square feet. It's 4 bedroom, 2 bath. Take a look at this beautiful backyard. You have an extended driveway with a gate. You have a fenced in backyard with storage. However, the property line extends past the fence. You also have this beautiful covered back porch that I love. It is great for entertaining. So just to wrap up, this house is on a corner lot on almost 1 acre, single story with no HOA in the Rockwall ISD. This house won't last long, so give me a call for a private tour.